Hey guys, it's Linda from Currys, and today I'm at the airfield checking out the Pure Electric Pure Advanced Flex. This electric scooter does things a little bit differently, which you can probably tell by just looking at it. What's really cool is that it was designed to take up the least amount of space when you're not using it. It has this ultra compact, fully folding design. Just look at this. You can store it in your house, in your shed, even under your desk, so it's ready for you to use when you need a thrill. It's so compact that you can even put it straight into the boot of your car, even if you've got a little hatchback. It can help with storage at home, staying neatly stashed away until you need it. Something that's quite unique about this is how you stand on it. Now, if you've ridden any kind of scooter before, you'll notice that this changes things up with its forward-facing ride stance rather than the usual situation where you are riding side on with one foot behind the other. This completely changes the way you ride. Having your feet further apart means you feel more stable and comfortable, and it also lowers your center of gravity, which makes it easier to control your balance and weight while steering. And on top of that, Pure have really considered the safety features, which really helps me feel more confident on here. You've got 4 times brighter front lights and rear lights for riding in the dark, as well as handlebar and foot pad indicators. The dual braking system feels responsive and reliable, and there's the active steering stabilization to make handling a breeze. To find out more about the Pure Advanced Flex, visit us in store, head online, or chat to one of our tech experts on a Shop Live video call.